What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how to smoke a whole chicken on your Traeger, pellet grill, or smoker. This chicken is so tender, juicy, and loaded with flavor. So first I have a 5-pound chicken here. You can use any sized chicken. I'm actually going to spatchcock this and remove the backbone. I love doing this to all of my whole chickens because I feel like it always results in tender, juicy chicken because the chicken is able to cook at an even and consistent temperature. So what you have to do is just glide your hands along the neck of that chicken and then slice into it as I'm doing now to just fully remove that middle backbone. And you can keep this to make some chicken stock, or you can discard it if you wish. Next, I flip over that chicken and I like to tuck the wings behind. That'll make sure that those are kind of out of the way and that those don't overcook as well. Then I press down firmly on the breast to get that nice and flat. You can arrange your legs after that as well. And then I'm gonna rub this down in my homemade pollo asado marinade. You can marinate this chicken in whatever you like. You can also just use a dry rub, maybe your favorite barbecue seasoning and rub, or your favorite chicken seasoning and rub. Whatever you like is going to work perfectly here. I like this because it's loaded with flavor and it will also produce really crispy skin, and that's what I like on my chicken. Once you have your chicken out on the smoker, you're going to want to smoke this on 225 degrees in total until it reaches an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. What I like to do is smoke it until it reaches an internal temperature of 150 degrees. Once it hits 150, I crank up my temperature to 350 because that's going to give me the crispy skin that I like on my chicken. That's completely optional, but just keep in mind when you're smoking, the cook time isn't what you're looking for. You're looking for temperature. You want to make sure that you're cooking your chicken to the right internal temperature. You can use a probe, you can use a meat thermometer, whatever is going to let you know what the temperature is sitting at on that bird. That's what you should be looking for. So this took me about 4 to 5 hours to smoke it and get that crispy skin. You can see that leg is falling right off the bone because this meat is so tender and juicy.